Welcome to this lesson on identity numbers. Identity numbers are special numbers that do not change the value of the number we start with. They keep the identity of the original number. There are two main identity numbers. The identity for addition is 0. The identity for multiplication is 1. Why is this true? Because adding 0 to any number does not change it. And multiplying any number by 1 does not change it. Let us look at addition first. I write on the board. 17 plus 0. What is 17 plus 0? The answer is 17. If you have 17 and add nothing, you still have 17. 0 is the identity number for addition. So 17 plus 0 equals 17. Now let us look at multiplication. I write on the board. 4 times 1. What is 4 times 1? The answer is 4. Multiplying by 1 does not change the number. 1 is the identity number for multiplication. So 4 times 1 equals 4. Here is the key idea. 0 is the identity for addition. 1 is the identity for multiplication. Using these identity numbers keeps the original number exactly the same. That is our introduction to identity numbers. In future lessons, we will use these facts to simplify many problems. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.